Hey guys, welcome to the episode number 4 Trending Amazon Merch Niches. My name is Kayur and in this video I will gonna share what you should start designing now for upcoming month of July. So now on I'm gonna share niches month before so you can get some sales and you can catch the trends. I'm also gonna share one evergreen niches from now on in every video. Because trending niches is not gonna fill your pockets forever, So if you wanna make sales and grow your business, please like and subscribe. First niche is pineapple. If you can see, BSR is very low. Also, if you are new, the lower BSR mean design is getting more sales. Of course, you can't design the same things. You're gonna need to come up with your unique style or design. But if you're copying the same design style and waiting for sales, it's not gonna happen. You have to get inspired by design and try to create something with AI design. Try ideogram or cross niche with something else. If you can check out some design here. The BSR is very low, 90,000, 92,000, 96,000. Check out the old design and pineapple with sunglasses, the skeleton, the bike, Christmas, and also the BSR is very low. With ice hockey niche. This is how you can cross niche and get your best seller. Also, if you can see on Amazon, there is also lower BSR. The design style is different. The pineapple with flowers, pineapple with sunglasses, the dabbing pineapple. Again, you need to come up with your own ideas. So yeah. But before we go further, don't forget to do your trademark research. Don't just jump right into design. Always do trademark research. If you interested, comment and I will share my trademark research method too. If decent amount of people are interested. Niche number 2 is football t-shirt. In football niche, there is a lot you can do. Take a look some of this t-shirt. Look at this BSR is pretty low. The American football. The BSR is 90,000. Another school football. The pink football. The retro football. Look at the BSR. Still 90,000. The pink out. Still 92,000 BSR. There is a lot potential in this niche. Also check out this design. Simple graphics, retro and text-based design. Check out this one. This design can sell evergreen. The mom of the birthday boy. 7 ratings. And this one is my favorite. It have 11 rating. The simple graphics design. The game day. Look at the BSR. 8 sleep, football repeat. There is some detail design if you know about the football in deep. The only American flag design with football. Football season is one of the kind of evergreen niche too. And football season you get more and more sales. So it's win-win. And also NFL season is gonna start in August. So you gonna get ready with your listing. And also you can't design NFL shirt or NFL player or any kind of shirt related to NFL. You might lose your account. So yeah. Niche number 3 is teenage daughter survivor. This is the trending niche right now. I don't know why. But I did some research and it's another TikTok trend. I personally didn't find anything. But you don't forget to do your research. And look at the BSR is very low. Also all are similar text-based design. I think it's about parenting and all. So yeah. It's really fresh and brand new. I want to give you a quick shout out and let you know about it. Last special evergreen niche number 4 is beach. Again, it's summertime and most of the people are traveling, vacation and having fun at beach. Check out this design and BSR is very low here too. And also beach design is most popular and people buy it all year. Also beach design is scalable too. So if you are in higher tier, consider this and start creating your own design. If you wanna check the design, there is some pool, a retro, palm tree, Florida, sunrise, sunburn, sunset, repeat, 97,000 BSR. Vacation square, Nassau, Bahamas, a retro, a lot and lots of way you can create designs and pocket some sales in this beach niche. So do think of different words of how to approach this different way rather than just copying what's already there. There is definitely a lot potential right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for daily new trending niches finds. I will gonna make videos more valuable day by day. Subscribe and we meet again.